Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna be trying to make my hair myself. So I braided the hair, only my hair, all round like this, and then I got Brazilian wool and this dread at extension. And then the first thing that I did is, after braiding the hair with only my hair, the next thing I'll be doing is to add the braid, the dread to the hair, and then I'll use the Brazilian wool to roll it like the way you roll. If you know thread, yes, the way you roll thread, just round the whole hair. And before I start doing this, I ensure that I bend my hair to about 3 times, so it will not be too long, because my hair is a bit long, and I ensure that I bend the hair like the way you are seeing in the video, and then I'll roll it with the Brazilian wool until all of the hair finishes. And if you are trying to do yours like this, ensure that you roll the hair with your Brazilian wool and pass your hair a bit. Yes, try to pass your hair. Don't end the Brazilian wool where your hair ended. Try to pass your hair a bit, then you notch it and use your scissors to cut out the remaining Brazilian wool. So I'm not going to be showing you all of the process step by step, but at least these few 2 strands of hair that I've done, I hope you'll be able to try yours. I've always seen people make their hair by themselves, and I decided to try mine today. And after I made this hair and I told people that I made this hair by myself, they were like, "Are you a witch?" I'm not a witch, oh, please. Anybody that makes their hair themselves, I don't know why they always refer to us as winch. We are not winches, please. It's just that we try to be able to maximize the skill that we have learned, that it's not just about making someone hair, but also making your hair yourself. And this will save a lot of money. Yes, the money that you're going to spend in making your hair salon, you can try to make your hair yourself and save up money for this Christmas. Yes, Christmas is around the corner, and you have to save up as much as you can. For this hair, you can take it for like 3 to 4 weeks before you lose it, because it's dread and it's not going to scatter that much. It's still going to be beautiful even if you take it for about 1 month. And this hair took me, I started around 10 o'clock, and then I finished making the hair around 1:30. So that's about 3.5 hours. And look at it, guys, this is the hair. I'm done with it, and you can style it to whatever you like. This is the hair. You can style it however you like. You can style it into a ponytail, you can style it into what we call tuchuku. You can style it however you want, however you feel comfortable with. So if you know that you tried the hair, or if you're going to try making your hair by yourself, just let me know in the comment section. And if you have ever been called a winch for making your hair yourself, please leave that in the comment section. But I know winches. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to try it out yourself.